Hamrin TGC condoled death of Sumila Ronghangpi, demands justice for family. Good morning and warm welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jirbon Kilingpi bringing you the latest news for this morning. And now the news in detail. The Hamrin Teachers Gathering Center on Saturday held a condolence meet at West Karbi Anglong Primary Teachers Association office, during which the teachers' body expressed the demands for justice towards the family of Sumila Ronghangpi, whose dead body was found on April 22 in Raha at the house she was living with. The program was led by Hamrin Teachers Gathering Center President Kabon Kramsapi and General Secretary Samson Teron, and was held at 9 a.m. at the WKA Kapta office, which was attended by over 20 members. During the program, the Hamrin Teachers Gathering Center asserted that they would continue the fight until justice is delivered to the family of Sumila Ronghangpi. Further, they also demanded death penalty to Prakash Borthakur and his son Nayanjoti Borthakur, alleging them of killing her by setting her on fire. The HTGC further urged upon the people of the Hill districts to stop sending the children away outside the Hill districts, stating that there are enough good schools with good teachers and where books, uniforms and other materials are provided for free.
We, the teachers of Hamrin Teachers Gathering Center, assembled here to pay our tribute to let Sumila Ronghangpi, who had been raped and murdered by one Prakash Borthakur and his son. So today we assembled here and express our solidarity with all other organizations to punish the culprit.
আমি শিক্ষক সমাজ হৈ আমি এটি শোকসভা অনুষ্ঠিত কৰিছো কাৰণ যোৱা 22 এপ্ৰিলত ৰহাত যিটো জঘন্য হত্যাকাণ্ড সংঘটিত হ'ল সেয়া হৈছে লেট সুমিলা ৰংহাংপি এটি 12 বছৰীয়া কিশোৰী প্ৰকাশ বৰঠাকুৰ নামৰ এগৰাকী যিজন মানৱ নহয় অসুৰ বা দানৱ তেনেকৈ আমি তেওঁক মন্তব্য দিব পাৰোঁ তেখেত যদি এজন মানুহ হয় তেন্তে এনেকুৱা নিষ্পাপ শিশুক বা কিশোৰীক পঢ়াৰ নামত যিটো তেখেতৰ নিজৰ ঘৰত ৰাখিছিল অশেষ নিৰ্যাতন চলাই শেষত হত্যাকাণ্ড সংঘটিত কৰিলে সেইটো সন্দৰ্ভত আমি হামৰান প্ৰাথমিক শিক্ষক সমাজে এটি শোকসভা অনুষ্ঠিত কৰিছে শোকসভাত আমি প্ৰথমে এনেকুৱা জঘন্য হত্যাকাণ্ড এনেকুৱা লজ্জাজনক আৰু মৰ্মান্তিক ঘটনা যাতে পুনৰাবৃত্তি নহয় তাৰ বাবে আমি পৰম পিতাৰ ওচৰত প্ৰাৰ্থনা কৰিছো
নেলিকি পুদনজি কেলা হেলো থান বাঙাতুম পেন কে পুদন ইন কেনাং সত আপি বাঙা নেলিকি চিংদাংকে থান বাং apiapo la pen kacharli la bang ke thomatum ke longthua keng ason si idu aposi ohomia tu basar lam the ason si ghote hiluk khyo jai lang tum pen chira pet pen pulote kyun eson avi bonda me piniar ni ke than bang tum phansi ka sorsa un tikapadu sita hala bang hini tu bang ka sorsa li dam de kuson lo la si aho ha ka bang ke ronga sorsa me ronga rada tum stame apiapo mate sorkari sorkaman puno ronga sar puno jase tame kachit han ke nangsot atheke apia pu pen asumar ke judapsi a hemalong aridalong ki chokejun ki pi kapijir ason tin seta kapin khat kapin lar alang tumari deng sido asi hadak nangtum ke dudang nangtum ke dudun ke porhedun ke chodun ki jundun chilang dun pame chilun pame angton alam lang tung si lardak pen judak alang tung sipu chithanlong sitame pini arni elitom phan
Daniel in his report from Hamrin for Karbi Anglong Live. The demand for immediate justice to Sumila Ronghangpi is still gaining more voice and strength from several places of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. People, irrespective of political affiliation of religion, have come forward to demand justice to be served at the earliest. On Friday evening, the local residents of Prilu, led by few prominent leaders, conducted a condolence meet. Among them included village headman Mon Singh Bey, Longri Motiar Chandra Singh Tiso, Karbi film actor Vidya Singh Teron, ex-UPDS chairman Mon Singh Rongphar, also called Longsodar Senar, and ASDC leader Sar Singh Ingle. During the program, the leaders have vehemently condemned the gruesome incident which took Sumila's life. They had demanded that the law and order authorities should act fast to punish the accused Prakash Borthakur and his son Nayanjoti Borthakur, who had allegedly burned Sumila to death.
হৈ গ'ল নিখংগভাৱে হত্যাকাণ্ড সেইটো আমি মই মানে ব্যক্তিগতভাৱে গৰিহণা দিছোঁ তেনেকুৱা হত্যাকাণ্ড যাতে হ'ব নালাগে আৰু দোষী যিকেইজন আছিল প্ৰকাশ বৰঠাকুৰ আৰু তেওঁৰ পৰিয়ালক ফাঁচীকাঠত ওলমাব লাগে, মৃত্যুদণ্ডৰে বিহিত কৰিব লাগে। আমি সেইটোৱে কামনা কৰিছোঁ, কাৰণ আজি এনেকুৱা হত্যাকাণ্ড হৈ থাকিব নালাগে। এনেকুৱা দোষীক মানে আমি একদম নিষ্ঠুৰভাৱে যেনেকৈ হত্যাকাণ্ড কৰিলে প্ৰমীলা ৰংহাংপিক, তেনেকুৱা আৰু হ'ব নালাগে, দুনাই আৰু হ'ব নালাগে, সেইটোৱে বিচাৰিছোঁ।
Later in the program, locals lighted candles and prayed for the soul for the innocent child. They also urged upon the KAAC and Government of Assam to take needful steps to prevent any form of such incident in the future.
Lugasharle men pen Prakash Borthakur Nayanmoni Borthakur atum kasu bipon Sumila Ronghang Pie Phan Akereng pen meke kai chok aputhak labang su ke chok che bang phu phan arona teng pen ing sai si alang tum phan punishment pivek nei mate phasi pi nei pu adiman pen tum dak ronga saru basar ka du ka be sarmar sarthe sar pimari soi jang dani tum chingrum sila bang soi sia demand pen isa program dak pa duiglo
Mohan Teron's report from Phelangpi for Karbi Anglong Live. Can I say the headlines? The Karbi Students Association has expressed the dismay and extreme concerns over the construction of Hamrin Mini Stadium, terming the quality of work as extremely poor and therefore pose huge risks to people and yearly damage. The students' body alleged that out of the 26 stadiums sanctioned for each constituency as part of CM Dream project, Hamrin Mini Stadium is the worst, charging that the quality has been compromised. KSA Hamrin Head Branch President Timothy Rongpi stated that the mini stadium looks beautiful on the outside, but the poor quality of work executed is easily visible inside the stadium. The KSA local unit president further stated that the ceilings, windows and floors have already suffered huge damage even when the mini stadium has not yet been inaugurated. Further, the Hamrin Head Branch President said that in comparison with the stadiums constructed across all other MSC constituencies, Hamrin Habe Dengcha complex is the most unattractive and worst in quality. The students' organization, while expressing the disappointment during the visit to the stadium, charged that all of the developmental projects have been poorly implemented or executed in Hamrin, due to which the people of the town are feeling like they have been given stepmotherly treatment by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council.
Autonomous Council CM Dream Project long kora trok do iltum Karbi Anglong ang kanglong kipi labang su long kora trok kipi pen iltum lang paching barlo chinthong amri la pen botha lang sona theglong lo dwaram lata sitame la litum la long kora trok pen lang paching barlo la dak helo non ki lang no nai kopi potsi a project isivelo a project amount isivelo tang di kopi pot la dak puding ha la bang ni tum la chining tung du la pen la dak non la pumurim khrai lo la dak amistri tum hanan lang phophe la silabang so ahem kitang lu putong le la lebar tum han ka release lo ma mate thikadar tong kupini chok che ma contractor tong kupini ke chok che ma mate la dak sai ki claim bom tum han la dak locality pen kupini ka pasik sak do tong la dak pini la bang so hem la bang so 10 crore project bang la dak Hamrin along bang la puding hak ma labang ni tum chining tung duk lo pucholi nang tum ta lang pang paching bar tha lang dam tha humriam tha ho tha lang so pen la dak pang bar ta la dak lang no la dong kam pen ta me pang bar ta me la dak ki lang no ekdom 50% ta phurun te la pen chinthong amri ta ni tum dam lo hadak mana dak asat ta ka chingbar ave la si kopian set kopik ne kana ka neglect ki dokok si Hamrin apirthe phan la puson araje mumang nang gividat ma labang li tum ningduk pik Hamrin arat la pen Tuning rilo Karbi Autonomous Council CM ake haifan nangli Dream Project nangli ake mangateng ladak along tinta kapaching bari fansi tuning rilo.
Daniel in his report from Hamrin for Karbi Anglong Live. In a tragic incident, a youth was killed in an accident that took place in Biswanath Sariali town on Friday night. Our correspondent has sent us this report. The tragic accident occurred at around 11 p.m. on Friday night when a youth riding two-wheeler was hit by a speeding night super bus with the registration number AS01EC3103 originating from Lakhimpur. Unfortunately, the victim, who was identified as Debajit Teron, an employee of Biswanath Sariali Government Hospital, succumbed to his injury before reaching the hospital while he was on the way on a 108 ambulance, which was called in by renowned singers Manash Bhagwati, Biplop Pal, Pankaj Hazarika and Diganta Hazarika. The deceased victim hailed from Majuli Pathar Teron village, Biswanath district. Meanwhile, the driver of the night super bus has been arrested by the town police and the dead body was sent to Behali Govt Hospital for post-mortem. Chandra Singh Rongpi's report from Biswanath for Karbi Anglong Live. Now those were the top stories for this morning. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.